What up, all you Bamfs? Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing amazing. And in this one, we're going to be doing a bag review on the Aqua Lung Explorer 2 Rollaway. If you guys are new, I'm Bobby Hernandez. Welcome to the Bamf Squad, where our mission here is to help you out with diving and traveling. And make it easier for you to go diving so you know what to expect when you get to the certain location, wherever it's at. Well, let's get into this bag review. I'm going to head over to the table and let's get to it. The Aqua Lung Explorer 2. Let's get into this. So, this bag is a massive, massive upgrade to what I currently have, which is... Yeah, you know you like it. That's kind of tiny. I needed something to tote all our stuff so we can get after it. This bag was an excellent choice, and it is huge. So, it has one pocket directly on the top of the flap. The zippers are super industrial. Has two pockets on the outside for your fins. I fit both of my wife's fins on one side and both of my fins on the other, which was amazing, where you ain't got to strap it to the outside of your bag or bring it on your carry-on. Let's get to the back of this thing. So this has this hard plastic on the bottom, these two rails right here. We got a big plastic pad, rubber type pad here, plastic for the top. It also has the extendo handle, so you can do your rollaway stuff. It has handles on the top. The bottom is a plastic hard handle. This also has MOLLE webbing on both sides of the bag, so you can attach more stuff. This bag is enormous. It fit literally both of ours 7 days worth of stuff just in this bag alone. I put my reg and my BC, since I have the Aqua Lung Rogue. I break it down and it just fits. It's about the size of a laptop when it's flat. So it fits in my backpack with my reg, and I bring my laptop with me, or my iPad with me, so I can do some editing and all that other good stuff for y'all. The wheels on this are tough. They don't leave no skid marks, even on my tile. Even when I was in the airport, it doesn't leave no scuff marks. The overall fabric is really, it's got this like plastic coating or something on it, but it comes in 3 colors: black, blue, and this. I should have gone with the black, because my only complaint of this bag is after one trip, it looks like it's been drugged behind a bus, and it's pretty bad. I cleaned it, and it still looks pretty dirty. That's the only thing I have. I could say negative about this is due to the color. It just looks really dirty after you go on a trip. Other than that, this thing is well made. Well made. I treat my equipment pretty rough because I'm military, so I just throw stuff around. What stuff's in here? Just tossing it around and getting after it. This thing is very tough and sturdy. I highly recommend it. And if you guys know any other thing about this that you like to add, please hit me up in the comments about it. Or if you have any questions about it, please let me know. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'm gonna catch you guys next week. Click on one of these videos here. It's gonna send you to another site. Check it out. Click it.